What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Crunch Time Trades, and we're going to do a quick video showing you how to chart your volume profile levels for each session. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. If I'm looking at the Tuesday morning here and we have the 9:30 open, I'm going to go back first, do my overnight volume profile. So I pull out the fixed range volume profile tool and I set it for 18 Eastern, which is the open for overnight session. And I'll set it all the way to that 9:30 close. And in the settings here, you can copy the settings, but row size is 1,000, up, down, volume area 70. And depending on if you click extend right or not, is if it will continue taking the volume profile data in real time. Now, if you look here, I have all the different interest points throughout my chart, and those are just horizontal lines that I have on the chart, and I move them around based on where the different levels are for the newest profile. So for our overnight profile here, we had a point of control on this red line, and then we had our value area high at this blue line, and our value area low at this blue. Perfect. So we have our overnight levels charted up. Very cool. The next thing, and this one is probably the most difficult, is going back to the previous week. So you want previous week's data as well, and you can see I already have it charted up, but I'll do it again for the example. Right? And so I go back, pull up my fixed range volume profile tool, and I go back to the Sunday open of the previous week, and I will drag it all the way to the Friday close of the previous week. Try and get that 1659. Boom. Perfect. Right? So now I have, if you go back, I have all these levels, all this volume and all these levels drawn out. And so I already have the horizontal lines drawn out on the chart. But you can see here, this is the red line right here for our previous week point of control. Let's line it up there. Right? And same thing for the previous week value area high. Oops, I just grabbed the previous day value area high. It can get confusing sometimes. You got a lot of different lines, so you just want to pay attention to how you label them. But here's the previous week value area high. Perfect. And we go down to our previous week value area low. Perfect. Lined up. Awesome. And the last one we want to have is our previous day levels. So we will go back to Monday, right? Because we're charting. This is for a Tuesday. And so on Monday, we'll have our previous day levels from the 9:30 open all the way until 16. Perfect. Right? And you can see also those previous day levels are already lined up as they should be. And so that's a really quick breakdown of how you draw your levels for your volume profile charting. When you get into the session, so let's just say, we're 5 candles in now. What I will do is I will draw my fixed range volume profile from the 9:30 open, and I will just extend it as far as it'll go and then click extend right. And so what you'll notice is as I move a bunch of candles in, zoom in here, the volume profile is following those candles and it's extending right as those candles are going. So with that being said, really quick video, really quick breakdown on how you draw your volume profile levels. And if you have any questions on drawing them or why I did it a certain way or how to set it up, I think the settings are pretty simple. But again, if you have any questions, drop a comment, leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you're not already for more day trading content, and I'll see you in the next one.